Scorpion EVO 3 A1. This is the factory machine gun, submachine gun. Before anyone goes in the comments and says, that's not a machine gun, that's a subgun. Machine gun is the definition of any firearm that fires fully automatic, burst fire, select fire. Just to clear the air. Anyway, so this is, it looks like a Scorpion. It is a Scorpion. It functions like a Scorpion. I put this Yeti, I think it's a Yeti grip on it just because I hate the dong shaped Scorpion grips from the factory. I don't know why they still do it. Make it better. It's easy. You can do much better. This is a 4-position fire control group. Safe, semi, 3-round burst, full auto. It functions like a Scorpion. There's nothing really to say that anyone can't say about a normal semi-auto Scorpion. So we're gonna focus on the different fire positions in this video. I'm not gonna talk about how this is better or different or whatever. It's a Scorpion. It's got the nice big old heavy bolt, lots of recoil, outruns itself with the can. We have a dead air Wolfman on it in the full size configuration. We're gonna be ripping a combination of 124 grain and 147 subs through it. You'll hear rate of fire changes, you'll hear decibel level changes. I'm running a Holosun 507C on top. It's what we had in stock. It's the factory mount that came with it. So I just wanted to run it as is, keep it super slim, lightweight. I'm not gonna change the hanger. I'm not gonna mess with this gun, other than that grip, because I hate the factory grips. I'm gonna leave the gun as is. Just wanted to put a can on it because we live in a civilized society. We know what you all came for, and it's not to watch a Scorpion, it's to watch a full auto Scorpion. So we'll start in semi and work our way up. Three-round burst. This gun is absolutely ignorant with a suppressor. It's just a really, really fast gun, really heavy bolt. The rate of fire is through the roof. I couldn't tell you what the rate of fire is right now with the can. It's fast. I would say it's airing on the mid 900s right now. It's a lot. So it's pretty badass though. I think it's cool. I think the 3-round burst option is pretty awesome. And for me, my go-to is probably going to be 3-round burst in this platform. But yeah, the Scorpion.